Starting a business in the United States is an exciting venture, filled with boundless opportunities. But it also comes with a series of essential steps and legal requirements. In this informative video, we will guide you through the intricacies of registering your business or company in the USA, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an experienced business owner looking to expand into the American market. Understanding these crucial steps is the key to a successful and compliant business journey. Let's dive right in and uncover the path to your American business dream. Your first decision is to select the most suitable business structure that aligns with your goals. There are several options, but two of the most common are limited liability company, LLC corporation, C corporation, or S corporation. Now, let's compare LLCs and corporations in terms of liability protection.
An LLC offers limited liability protection to its owner's members. This means that members are typically not personally liable for the company's debts or legal obligations. Their personal assets are protected. Both C corporations and S corporations provide limited liability protection to shareholders. Shareholders are generally not personally responsible for the company's debts or lawsuits.
Next, we'll explore how LLCs and corporations differ in their taxation methods.
The profits and losses of the LLC pass through to the members' personal tax returns, and the LLC itself does not pay federal income tax. C corporations are subject to double taxation, where the corporation pays taxes on its profits, and shareholders also pay taxes on any dividends they receive. This can result in higher overall taxation. S corporations are also pass-through entities for tax purposes. Like LLCs, they do not pay federal income tax at the corporate level, and profits pass through to shareholders' personal tax returns. However, there are restrictions on the number and type of shareholders in an S corporation.
Moving on, let's analyze how ownership structures vary between LLCs and corporations.
Members can choose to manage the company themselves or appoint a manager. Structured management. Organization is run by directors. Shareholders are also regulated.
Now, let's examine the differing requirements for both LLCs and corporations.
Less administrative requirements. No requirement of annual meetings. Required to hold shareholder and directors meeting. Required to keep detailed records.
Finally, let's look at how investments play a role in LLCs and corporations.
Raising capital is challenging due to the inability to issue shares. Raising capital is easier, as it is possible to issue shares to investors.
Let's explore the next steps in the process. Now, it's time to pick a distinctive and available business name that adheres to state naming guidelines. To help you discover unique names and check the availability of related domains, you can visit www.namelax.com. Here's a quick guide on how to do it. Enter your business niche. Choose your preferred name style. Randomize the name to medium strength. To let the AI generator get creative, ask it to check domains. Hit generate. Voila! You'll have a list of potential business names with domain availability at your fingertips. Now, let's move on to registering your business entity with the appropriate state agency, usually the Secretary of State's office. Remember, each state has its unique filing requirements and fees. Here's what you'll need to do. When selecting the state for registration, it's worth considering tax-free states. These states don't typically have state income taxes, but do check for other taxes like property taxes, sales taxes, or business-specific taxes to evaluate the overall tax impact on your business's financial goals. If you're forming a corporation or an LLC, you'll need to submit articles of incorporation for corporations or articles of organization for LLCs to the state. This document provides key details about your business, including its purpose, management structure, and registered agent. Don't forget these important considerations.
Choose the right business entity type. Select the appropriate state of formation. Understand the specific registration requirements. Confirm the availability and suitability of your business name. Appoint a registered agent with a physical address in the state. State your principal office address. Define your business purpose. Outline your management structure. Be aware of any initial report requirements and associated fees. Consider creating operating agreements or bylaws. It's a good practice to have a legal review. Stay informed about ongoing compliance requirements.
Designate a registered agent who will receive legal documents on behalf of your business and maintain a physical address within the state where you're registered. Next, apply for an employer identification number from the Internal Revenue Service IRS. An EIN is essential for tax purposes and often required for opening a business bank account. You can easily request an EIN online through the IRS website, depending on your business type and location. You may need to obtain local licenses and permits. Additionally, ensure a thorough understanding and adherence to federal regulations relevant to your industry. For LLCs or corporations, establishing internal operating rules is essential. LLCs create an operating agreement, while corporations craft bylaws. These documents outline the management structure and decision-making processes within your company. Separate your personal and business finances. By opening a dedicated business bank account, this is often required for legal and tax purposes. You can explore a convenient platform like Wise www.wise.com for businesses engaged in frequent international payments. The Wise Business Account enables you to hold balances in multiple currencies, facilitates swift international transactions, and allows you to use your debit card overseas without foreign transaction fees. If applicable to your business, register for state and local taxes, such as sales tax. The specific requirements vary by state, so contact the Tax and Revenue Agency, your registration state, for guidance. Stay informed and meet ongoing compliance requirements, including tax filings, regulatory submissions, and industry-specific obligations. Ensure consistent payment of withholding taxes if your business is responsible for their collection. Additionally, file annual reports promptly at the end of your fiscal or calendar year, in line with state-specific regulations. Consider obtaining appropriate business insurance, such as liability or workers' compensation insurance, based on your business's nature and needs. If you plan to hire employees, you must register for federal and state employment taxes and adhere to labor laws and regulations. Regulations and requirements can change over time, so it's essential to remain updated on your obligations. Consider seeking guidance from legal and accounting professionals to ensure continued compliance with evolving regulations.
Now that we've covered these crucial steps, your business is well on its way to becoming a legal entity in the United States.